Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. In this Dress to Impress tutorial, we are recreating a stunning Rapunzel-inspired look, no VIP required. So if you want to know how to create this tangle or Rapunzel look in DTI, let me show you the steps. So first, let's make the long hair, the iconic long hair in here. So first I'm going to just go to the straight hair category and put on this hair. Then I'm going to color it blonde, this color in here, and combine it with this and the other straight hair in the same color. And then I'm going to also put on this long hair in here. And that's it. So this is how it will look like for the hair. If you want to, you can also make this hair, the last one, animated like this. And then let's start making the dress. First, I'm going to just go to the fitting room in here. Then I'm going to use this currency item for the top. Let's use this purple color, this one. This is the hex code for you. And for the stitching, I'm going to make it this colors right here. For the lace, let's go with the color. For the closer, I'm going to go with this color. And for the skirt, I'm going to also use the one from the witch set and use this color a little bit darker like the top. And the lace, I'm going to make it the same with the top. Here I'm going to also put on these eyelashes. And for the sleeves, I'm going to use one from this strawberry dress. Let's toggle it into sleeve only. Change the color into purple like this. Okay, now let's finish the look. So for the shoes, I'm going to put on the shoe with a ribbon on it and change the color using the same with the dress like this. And I'm going to put on this puff on the shoulder, make the same like the top. And I'm going to also put on this sleeves, change the color. If you got the crown, you can also put it on. And now let's finish the look with this accessory. So I'm going to grab this color palette because Rapunzel is a painter. So this is the final look for Rapunzel. So it's perfect for themes like fairy tale, princess, fantasy, elegant, or movie inspired. Like if you totally live in a tower as long as there's fashion. Subscribe and click on the thanks for more non-VIP outfit hacks. I'll see you all on the next one. Bye!